Good morning children, class 2B. Today is our subject is moral science. We already finished our portion for the midterm exam. Midterm exam syllabus is lesson number 3, 4 and 5. I think you are got the syllabus. So today I am giving you the revision portion. From these 3 chapters I am giving the revision, some important questions answers, and one more thing important. See, we not have more classes of moral science. That's why today Tuesday also I am taking a moral science, and next when we have Assamese class, that day also I will give you the moral science also, Assamese also. So all of you present all these things. If you cannot write all these question answers in one day, you can write the next day also, no problem, but you have to write. You should write, finish everything, okay? So you don't leave it simply. You practice it. If you cannot submit in one day, no problem. You can submit later also, but you should finish all this revision portion. So all the students, please remember, I will give you moral science revision with Assamese class also. Okay, today the moral science only I will give you. Next, this week, next Assamese class when we have, that day also I will give you moral science also. Assamese portion also finish, Assamese revision also I will give you, moral science also give you this extra worksheet. Understood? If you not understood, you can give me message in the WhatsApp also, or you can call me also through phone. Clear? So now I will give you, first of all, answer the following in one word. You have to write the answer these questions one word only. I will give you question also, answer also. All of you listen and see. What is considered to be more than opening doors and writing thank you notes? Answer: good manner. 2. What should we not do when a person is speaking? Interrupt. Number 3. If it belongs to someone else and you want to use it, what should you do? Get permission. Number 4. When you borrow something, you should answer return it. Number 5. What is a learning space? Answer is classroom. This one, number 2 question, complete the words. Some blanks are giving one. The words you have to write completely. You should also write with color pencil. Number 1, permission. Number 2, slamming. Number 3, patents. Number 4, telephone. Number 5, pleasant. Number 6, manners. You also have to write the same way. Now this is the objective type question. You see, arrange the jumbled words and write the sentence. What / grateful / we / be / for / have. One words are giving, that's why this / giving. This is giving jumbled way. You should write the correct way. Okay? C. Now answer. Be grateful for what we have. Number 2, healthy / choice / make / food. Answer: make healthy food choice. 3. In / we / live / need / to / house / a. Answer: we need a house to live in. 4. Not / be / pleasant / and / querulousness 1. Be pleasant and not querulousness 1. Okay. Now number 4. Match the following. This one I already given. You see. Courteous, well-mannered. Sit, avoid fraud. Equities, protocol. Moral, message. Stranger, unknown. Queue, line. This question 1, 2, 3 you should write today and evening you submitted, and next day when we have next Assamese class, I think Wednesday I will give you Assamese and moral science, both the subjects revision worksheet. Okay, remember it. Thank you. Have a good day.